Which country?
Which one is it again?
America?
No, not any of.
England?
No,
Spain?
no.
Which country?
It's because it's one with panthers in.
America?
No, panthers.
It's Canada? I don't know.
It's one.
South America?
No, not South. Can you eat Santa? Can the volcano eat Santa?
Yeah, of course.
But the snow means if the snow comes, the snow can get out. It can reach up to South America, but with that many snow, it can dry up because it's really cold.
Yeah, but it's like I said, it's not the lava that's the problem, is it? It's the toxic gas in the air.
Which that country? But can you tell me all the countries?
I don't know all the countries. Which one are you thinking about?
I'm thinking about one with a lot of animals.
Africa.
Nearly.
Africa.
No, Africa is nearly it. Is Africa close to another animal? Can the volcano reach Africa?
Mm-hmm.
Because when Santa comes, it can get really cold, and the attic in the sky it's so cold that it just dries up.
Yeah, okay.
So that's why I want to be in a snowy country.
Okay, we'll move to a snowy country if it will make you feel better.
It's because I'm cold.
Don't worry, the volcano won't get us, I promise. Okay?
It's because it's gonna work in one day, and then I would exist that day.
You will.
But if you were not with me, I would have your hand every time.
You want to hold my hand every time you get scared? Don't worry, I'll always be here.
It's because I have a lot of scary dreams.
I know, and this is why we have this.
It's because
To
it
catch
still
them.
doesn't work.
It does.
No, it's because someone's keep breaking it.
But it's okay, you sleep in my bed every night anyway, don't you?
Just because I'm still scared. Why are you on the phone? Are you filming me?
Yes.
Why? Don't film me.